More I was saying to us. But if I use my let me use my GCS's mother to do the example. I'm use my let me find an example. And for instance, this is Mary. Maria. This is Maria. Pierre. So this time around, Maria, I a female, feminine. See, and the other is I was saying over down. Na obefa female one no. Enti aket masculine. Akesta. Now this time around, no esaundo. You understand? This time around, no no esaundo. Say your feminine there no. So aket and akesta. Akesta. Because I see what hana sound for actually. Enti one for number. I don't know what must say. So a handy tino st a castia idea feeling being intino a hand the S is silent a get and then feminine the S is in the voice also. And the Akesta, ballet, donc this is Maria. We will have Akesta es la Maria. See? Aquesta es la Maria. Aquesta and Aket. Inti kono na o yeden o so pronounce no fi kakra Aket ana Akesta. Tu betim dia no kura Akesta sa na akawutrim na yekoyegim abusua yan to aso eya semo la nye yan to aso hana ene so yan pajangum sisi ai enti na ya ba yewo that this and that what must it so this is young spazio and yewo that na yewo no no wakakra nti that so català and so no asem etisen you have the same feminine masculine sa o baby and that is a chair. Aquella es una cadira. Thank you. And that. Once this time around, first sentence no feminine no here. Because a chair in Catalan is feminine. Una cadira. Una. And then yesterday I said a masculine. And then una a feminine, which means un bolígrafo, a pen, un boli, see, and una taula, a table, I don't know also catch it. We're gonna kaya, udaya now the tunyum sa. The one is only a decoder, Uberana also Honda, na about him for the problem here. I was to us. Let's continue from here. So now we have that. Vale, that is a chair. Aquella is una cadira. We use feminine, this one, because cadira is feminine. See? As feminine. Vale? Donc, femme servie. Aquella, see, Manuel, and that is a car, see, I know, ever my aquel, double L, aquel, see, as